Alright, so it's your boy Boss Star back with another one. So as you can see, the first thing you're gonna need is your coffee, because you're about to go on this amazing brush session. You know what I mean? So you're gonna need some energy to do it. But as you guys can see, I pretty much just jumped straight into the video. You know, I started off, you want to start off combing, to stretch the waves out and lift them up off of the scalp and everything. Also, you guys don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on them notifications. It's been a long day, you guys, and so. And this was me pretty much after I had got off of work, and everything. So like I said, the first thing I do for my nighttime routine, I just pretty much just, like I said, before I do any routine, I comb with the comb just to lift it off of the scalp, as you guys can see. And I hope you guys can see all these angles pretty good. I was in the bathroom and it was kind of hard for me to get a really good angle for you guys, so I apologize if you can't see exactly what's going on here, if the quality is not the best, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. And also, guys, like, this video is not as long. Like, I usually, when I do my nighttime routine, I really put in that work, like I would say at least 30, close to 30 minutes for my nighttime routine. Because if you do everything right for your nighttime routine, once you wake up in the morning, your waves should be looking really good. This is the most important time to get everything done at nighttime, especially for me, because when I wake up in the morning, I don't have a whole lot of time to mess with my waves. So I really try to do a good job at nighttime, so then when I wake up in the morning, everything's looking good. Also, you guys, how is everybody doing today? You guys let me know down in the comments, how are you guys doing? Also, what other kind of wave content do you guys want to see? I need you guys to let me know a little something, man, like what you guys want to see. Just let me know so I can know exactly what it is that you guys want to see. And then right here, as you guys can see, just hitting the top a little bit. And then this is a new oil that I use right here, and I just use probably about 7-8 drops. It's a new oil. You can find it at Walgreens. I'll link my morning routine for the oil that I used to use. That oil that I'm using, it's a different oil. You probably can get it for like $5 at Walgreens. You may be able to get it somewhere else, but that's where I got mine from. I got it at Walgreens, and it's like my probably like third or fourth time using it, and I really like the smell of it. And as you guys can see, I'm using some curl enhancing smoothie, and I try to get it good in my crown area. The thing about the curl enhancing smoothie, don't forget about that crown area. As you guys can see, that's what I'm doing right here. I'm applying a little bit of the curl enhancing smoothie into my crown. You don't want to abandon that part. You do not want to abandon that part. So you just spread that around a little bit. And then here goes, then I'm jumping into my medium brush, my Toronto Pro medium brush. And sometimes I also, you guys, every once in a while, I'll use my hard brush. That's mostly for when I use my, do my washing styles. But when your hair gets to a good length, like mine's is right now, I've been woofing for probably about 3 weeks. You can use a hard brush. But in this video right here, I didn't use the hard brush. So I'm just using a medium brush right here, though. The thing about the hard brush, it just helps stretch the waves out a lot better. This medium brush does an okay job, but it's not like that hard brush. But I hope you guys can see it. Now I'm just hitting the side a little bit. Like I said, you want to really go in with this brush. And then I need to do a little work on my back right there. I got a little fork back there in the back, as you guys can see. So I'm trying to break that fork back there. That's the whole reason of me woofing, trying to get my waves to, lay down the right way that I want them to go. So you guys let me know what you think. Rate my waves 1 to 10. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know what you guys do to break your forks a little easier. I know woofing is one way that you can break it. And then right here, I'm getting ready to go in with my soft brush, my 360 brush, 360 Jeezy brush. And then this soft brush, this is really just to lay the hair down. This isn't going to stretch the hair out or anything, but this soft brush, it just helps to lay down all the frizzies. So I didn't go in a whole long time with the soft brush. I kind of just showed you guys the idea of it, you know. So, and then last step right here, plastic bag. Going in with that plastic bag method. And this right here, this lays the frizzies down as well. And then last step, there goes that do-rag. And don't forget about that do-rag, as you guys should know. You do not want to forget about that do-rag. And get you guys a silky do-rag. I know all you wavers, you already know about the silky do-rags, but for the ones that don't know, the silky do-rag, it just helps a lot more with the hair texture. It gives you more of that silky look, you know. It's way better than them this regular little cotton do-rags. So you want to make sure you got your flaps laid down correctly on your forehead, otherwise you could get that line in your head, and I know that you guys want that line. But I mean, that's pretty much all to the video, you guys. You guys let me know what you think. I love you guys. God bless. And once again, like I said, let me know what other wave content you guys want to see. I need your guys' help down in the comments. God bless all you guys, and I'm out of here into the next video. All right.